Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video lecture we will discuss about the two strategies of the WHO by which we can stop the transmission of the waterborne diseases, especially diarrhea, dysentery and the typhoid among the 5 year of the children. As you know very well that the 30 to 40% of the diarrheal cases are caused by the poor wash method and use of the contaminated water. The 40% of all the deaths is caused by the diarrhea only in the Pakistan, especially among the 5 year of the children. So what are these two strategies of the WHO? One, the name of one strategy is the 4Fs, and the second method is the wash. The 4Fs are those are the factor by which the water, by which the diarrhea can cause among the 5 year of the children. The first F is the finger or the hands. The finger and the hands of the children are frequently contaminated after the using of the toilet. So you should teach your children that after using the toilet, wash your hand for the 20 seconds with the soap. You can prevent 30 to 40% of the diarrheal cases among your children. And the second F is for the fluid or the water. As you know very well that the 53% water in the Pakistan the people are using, they are the contaminated water or unsafe water, and the 70% the water which are used at the household level, they are contaminated. They are contaminated with the E. coli, they are contaminated with the fecal particles. So they are mostly cause of the diarrhea, dysentery and the typhoid and the hepatitis A and E among the children. So if you boil the water for 1 minute, then you can free your water from the all types of the bacteria, viruses and the protozoa. And the second method is chlorination. If you pour the 2 pinch of the bleach of the chlorine per liters in the water, then you can free your water from the all types of the bacteria, viruses and the protozoa. And the third method, which is we already discussed in the previous lecture, the third method is filtration. If you use the ceramic or the sand or the RO filter 0.2 micron, it can clear your water from all types of the bacteria, viruses and the protozoa. And the fourth method is the solar disinfection, SODIS method. If you put your clear bottle under the exposure of the sunlight for the 6 hours, it kills all the bacteria, viruses or the protozoa inside the water, and it is safe for the drinking and for cooking purpose. And the fifth method is the storage. If you store the water in the narrow bottle and cover it, that is also you can prevent your water from the recontamination. Now this was about the second F. Now the third F is the food. If the children are eat the contaminated food before to, so the mothers or the children's the eatable item should be washed before to eat or before to cooking. Proper washing before the cooking, you can prevent your children from the diarrhea, dysentery, and the typhoid. And the fourth F if for the and the 4F is flies. As you know very well that the flies can contaminate your eatable item, food, and also the water. So, as you know very well, according to WHO report that 350 million people still they are using the open latrine. They defecate in the open places. In the Pakistan, around 13% people are still defecate in the open places, which is the major cause of the diarrhea and dysentery and the typhoid, because the flies transmit the diarrhea, dysentery from the open latrine till to the and come contaminate your food item and the water. So proper wash and proper washing method and proper covering the food item and the water, you can prevent your food item and the water from the contamination of the flies. And washing the hands for the 20 seconds after using or touching of the any surface. So this is the 4F. Now what is the wash? Wash is the second strategy by which you can, by using this wash strategy, you can prevent 30 to 40% of the waterborne diseases among your children, among the population. The WA is for the water. As we know very well that still the 70% of the worldwide they are using the safe water, and the 20% means 2 billion people are still deprived from the safe drinking water. It means 1 out of the 4 people are still using the unsafe drinking water. So the proper safe water, provide the safe water to your people, to your children, and to your community. The second S is for the sanitations. As I discussed earlier, the still 300 to 400 billion people are still open defecated in open area, which is the major cause of the diarrhea, typhoid, and dysentery among the children and the general population. In Pakistan, still 13% people are using the open places defecations. And the third method is the hand hygiene. The people is not using the proper hand washing techniques after using their toilet. So it is the major cause of the diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, and hepatitis A and E is among the children. If you teach your children that wash your hand after using the toilet for the 20 seconds by using of the soap, you can prevent the 30 to 40% of the diarrheal cases or the waterborne cases among your children. So these are the 2 strategies which is we discuss in this video lecture. In the last, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel HPH, follow my Facebook page and TikTok page, share Muhammad Azara, and the last, I request you press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get the new lecture as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.